Our president always makes right decisions. The example is Syrian operation. Terrorist organizations were destroyed by timely measures taken. This way, we have provided our country's security. In the same way, using Ukraine, Western European states have made all possible attempts to destroy our state. But our president made the necessary decisions in the time and ensured the safety of our nation. On the territory of Ukraine, they aren't its armed forces, but terrorists, shaitans. We, Chechen sons, Muslims have won. I invite everyone to join the words spoken by our president and stand next to our state. Only then will there be peace in our world. As the president of our motherland, a wise, strong-willed political said, why do we need a world without Russia? Why do we need a world without Chechnya? Therefore, we must ensure peace in the world. Ahmad is power. Long live Russia.